What's up, guys? I got something special for you today. I'm going to be installing the exhaust that I bought. You guys check it out. I think it's a pretty sweet exhaust. I think you guys are going to like it. Someone that was fabricated on and put on but was damaged in an accident. Let's see it here. I'm going to be replacing it with the Greg Lutzka edition Bassani 2-in-1. It's pretty sweet. It's close to the Road Rage 2, I believe. It's the same one. It's just a little bit closer to the engine, and there's some other little things, little differences to it. But I like Bassani. I have it on my Sportster. Great exhaust. They look really cool. Check it out. You'll have to continue watching to see what color I got. And this thing looks really good. I'm really excited for it. Can't wait to hear how it sounds. I just need to polish it up, clean it up, take off any of these stains that I got from working on putting it in before I start it, because it could stain it if when it gets hot and it's got oil and grease on it. So I need to polish it up, clean it up, and then I want to give it a start, see how it sounds. it.